We'll do punches and punch bundles. Now, I just realized that there's no names on some of these. So say 4-petal flower for this one. This one is label. Well, hold on. What's the name? Everyday Label. It was one of my favorites. And then I have a few items here. These are some of the die cuts that Stampin' Up! Came up with. This is just a pack, so sort of a grab bag. These ones are all Christmas. They were last year's. Okay, that's it for just punches by themselves. We'll go on to punch bundles. So here's one. This is an older one, and this is a fabulous price at $15. And it has the punch to match. That's Christmas Scotty. There is a smaller nose missing on this one, but there are 2 noses, so you're still able to make lots of great penguins. And a couple more of those die cuts. This was Something for Everything. Those were in last year's catalog.